Okay guys, it's very late. It's getting to 9 o'clock here, and this year my teenage boy want us to go to the gym, so we made a timetable to go to the gym Tuesday to Wednesday. No, where did we say going? Tuesdays to Saturdays, because that's when grandma works. So when we go to the gym, after gym we pick grandma up. So today is the first day we are starting. This is day 1, and it's today on the 2nd of January 2024. So let's see how it goes for the first day. I remember last year by this time I did register. I decided that I'll be going, and trust me, I think I went for like a month or 2.
Oh, that's where you went every single day.
I was going, like, I did really try, but I got discouraged and I stopped. And I wanted to do the YouTube gym, where it means you work with the YouTubers who are doing workout. And I did one with a young lady called JLo, I think that's the name. I'll leave a video on top of this video so that you guys will know, which she also started one. So I'm going to try and do that one in the morning. It's normally 15-20 minutes at home workout. Then I'll go to the gym with my teenage boy. So my teenage boy is here. That's him over there, that we are going to the gym together. So you guys should watch our progress and see how it goes. I really need the motivation, and he's the one going to motivate me. So if he doesn't go, he has to do something in the house for a week. If I decided not to go, I'm going to pay him $5 into his account. $5. I add money to his account, $5, because he's trying to get a lot of money to buy a lot of stuff, teenage boys and their game stuff and all that. So this is where we are today. I want to give a special welcome to everybody on this channel. I started this channel quite a while, and I stopped, and I have another channel that I talk about finances, because when I started the channel, a lot of people were asking me how would they get money to buy all the things I want them to buy to eat, which is expensive, and I switched to the finance aspect. So I've been doing the financial one for quite a while as well, and that channel is going very well. But I cannot stop on this one because I feel like the time wasn't there, and I didn't want to give a wrong information. So for the sake of my teenage boy, for me to start working out, we're going to put the update on this channel. So everybody's welcome to share. Maybe you also need a motivation. We might motivate you to also work out. Like I really need, I know myself, I know I need a lot of motivation. So for him to suggest that he's going to go with me, I'm already motivated. And also while we are going, we can also talk, because I want to get close to him. That's also important for me as a mom. So this is an advantage for me as well. Hopefully he will talk to me, not be in his phone too much. So we're going to solve all that problem as we go along, so that we will talk as well. So keep following us, and we are super glad for you to follow our journey to also get motivated. In case you get motivation, leave in the comment below. Today is day 1, so let's see how it goes. We will show a little bit of it at the gym. We will try and take some videos at the gym. So when we take those videos, I'll put it in the video, the reels, or if I do a longer video, I'll put it in there. So let's go. We'll end here, and we'll catch you up on the gym. Bye. So today I managed to do today I did only the steps. I want to do the steps for like a month to see how it goes. My little guy is doing the treadmill, and I'm doing the steps. So let's see how it goes for the steps. I'm doing it for like a month.
So let's see. I'm about to end to go pick up my mom. So I'm about to stop. I did about 940 something steps. I'm gonna pick up mom. So let's see how it goes today. I swear. Guys, see.
So day one done. We are on our way to pick up my mom. Then we will get home. Then tomorrow is another day. Our workout is just from Tuesdays to Saturdays. That's the only days we come to the gym. The rest I'll do it at home if I'm able to. So that's what we did tonight. I did the steps, which I'm going to do that for like a month to see how it goes. I'm feeling I don't want to show you guys my weight, but let's see how it goes.
You weigh more than 300.
No,
Okay.
I don't.
Sorry.
I don't weigh more than 300.
How do I make this look?
You see,
Huh?
that's the conversation I'm having with my 13-year-old, my teenage, who is asking me to come to the gym with him.
I weigh 70 pounds.
So I hope everybody will have a nice night. I will just go home and do other stuff on my orders and stuff. I have another YouTube channel that I'm working on it. I have orders that I have to do. So that's what we're going to do tonight. So thanks for watching us, and we will surely see you guys tomorrow for another update.
How do I make this
Bye.
go forward?
Day 2. We made it. We made it. We made it. Today is day 4. We went to the gym. I forgot to record my numbers, but that's okay. That's okay. We done 4 days already. Tomorrow will be the 5th day, and tomorrow will be the end of 1 week, because we take rest on Sundays and Monday because my mom don't go to work, so we don't come at the side of the gym. So that's what me and my son are doing. Super excited that I have done 4 days without complaining yet. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I will add tomorrow's on, then I'll put it up so that if you can motivate somebody. Yes, super excited. So day 4. Oh, I'm not doing my hands well. Day 4. It's still not too late to start going to the gym or start exercising. Bye. Today is the 5th day. To tell you guys the truth, coming with my son has really made a big change, because I want to come. So that's one thing that, like, you need like a motivation from somebody. So, and that's my son.
coming with me to the gym. Today is the 5th day. We're going to take 2 days off, Sunday and Monday, then we will come back again. So let's go work out. Yay! We made it day 5. But we're going to rest tomorrow, which is Sunday, and Monday. Then we'll resume back on Tuesdays. So Tuesdays to Saturdays are the workout days. And like I told you guys, there's a way much better when I was coming by myself than come with my son. So hopefully my son will continue to come with me, because we have a deal this year. He didn't sign for it, but he has signed for it. So he's going to continue to come with me Tuesdays to Saturday. So if you need a workout partner, maybe you can join us. We're going probably 9 in the evening. Then we do like 30-45 minutes window to the time we have to go pick mom up. And that schedule work fun for us, because I come home, I stay with the kids, I do my stuff before I come to the gym. So that's good. So watch out for our videos coming up. I'm going to share with you guys some of the food I'll be eating for this coming weeks. And I'm trying to introduce my son to eat healthy and also eat early than the late, because when they are in the house he cannot be late. So we're going to work all that. If he goes to school, that's okay, but when they are staying at home, it's kind of like a challenge because they don't sleep early, which is normal. Yeah, so watch out for our video for next week. I'll see you guys later. Go subscribe so that you know what is coming up. Bye. Percy, you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.